Good morning student, chapter number 8, Human Health and Disease. Today topic discuss immune system in the body. The immune system is consist of lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs contain first cells and tissue. Human body develop first cells, second tissue, third organ and fourth organ system. Soluble molecules like antibodies. Soluble molecules like antibodies. This system unique in the sense that is recognize origin antigens, means soluble antibody present plus origin antigens involved. Response to this remembers them. The immune system also plays important role in allergic reaction, autoimmune disease and organ transplantation. Clear? Next lecture discuss for allergies, autoimmunity and lymphoid organs. Today discuss first lymphoid organs. There are the organ where origin and or maturation and proliferation of lymphocytes. The primary lymphoid organs contain bone marrow and thymus. The primary lymphoid organs are contain bone marrow and thymus, where immature lymphocytes differentiate into antigen sensitive lymphocytes. Draw this figure first. Diagrammatic representation for lymph nodes. First layer lymph nodes, second thymus and third lymphatic vessel. After maturation the lymphocyte migrate to the secondary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs such as bone marrow and thymus. Bone marrow and thymus. And secondary lymphoid organs like spleen, lymph nodes, tonsil, Peyer's pads and small intestine and appendix. The secondary lymphoid organs provide two sites interaction between lymphocytes with the antigen, which when the proliferate become effector cells. The location of various lymphoid organs of human body: first lymph nodes, second thymus and third lymphatic vessel. The primary lymphoid organs first discuss bone marrow. Bone marrow is the main lymphoid organs where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. Second, thymus. Thymus is a lobe organ located near the heart and beneath the breastbone. The thymus is a quite large at the time of birth but keep reducing size in the age by the puberty is the attain reduced very small size. This is a very small size of thymus. Both the bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for the development of maturation of T lymphocyte. And third discuss spleen. First is a bone marrow, second thymus, third spleen. Spleen is a large bean shape organ. It mainly contains lymphocyte and phagocyte. This type of spleen acts as a filter of the blood by trapping of blood-borne microorganism, and spleen also large reservoir of the erythrocyte. The lymph nodes. Next, lymph node. The lymph nodes are small solid structure located at the different points for the lymphatic system. And lymph nodes serve as a trap of microorganisms to other antigens which happen to the into lymph and tissue fluid. This is the main important role for lymph nodes for get happen to lymph and tissue fluid. This type of antigen trap to lymph nodes and responsible for this activation. And lymphocyte present there cause immune response. This type of lymphoid organs effect for the lymphoid tissue located within the lining major tracts such as respiratory, second digestive and third urogenital tracts called mucosa associated lymphoid tissue, short form of MALT means mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. It constitutes about 50% lymphoid tissue in human body, short form of MALT. Diagrammatic represent of lymph nodes. Draw this figure first. Different types of points highlight bone marrow, thymus, spleen and lymph nodes and lymphocyte.